I am Dolly, and welcome to our channel, Dolly Health. Today we're diving deep into the world of tiny but mighty flax seeds, a nutritional powerhouse packed with incredible health benefits. We'll explore the do's and don'ts of incorporating flax seeds into your diet, ensuring you get the most out of these little wonders. And because I believe in making healthy eating enjoyable, I'll be sharing a simple yet flavorful recipe using flax seeds and sesame seeds that you can easily add to your everyday meals. Get ready to unlock the secrets of flax seeds and elevate your well-being with this ultimate health hack. Let's begin our flax seed journey with a simple yet effective technique: soaking. Now you might wonder, why soak flax seeds? Well, soaking these tiny treasures makes them easier on your digestive system, especially if you're new to incorporating them into your diet. Take about a teaspoon of flax seeds and gently add them to a small bowl filled with water. Allow them to soak for a couple of hours, or even better, overnight. This soaking process softens the outer layer of the flax seeds, making them gentler on your stomach and easier to digest. Soaking is particularly beneficial for those who experience digestive discomfort or are prone to constipation. The soaked flax seeds act as a natural laxative, promoting smooth digestion and regularity. Think of it as giving your digestive system a helping hand while reaping the incredible benefits of flax seeds. And for those who prefer to consume flax seeds before bed, soaking them makes them even easier to digest as you sleep, promoting a comfortable night's rest. Soaking might seem like a small step, but it makes a big difference in maximizing the benefits of flax seeds for your overall well-being. Now, let's turn up the heat and explore the magic of dry roasting flax seeds. This simple technique not only enhances their nutty flavor, but also unlocks a world of culinary possibilities. Grab a dry skillet and place it over medium heat. Once the skillet is warm, add your flax seeds, ensuring they're spread evenly across the surface. Now here comes the fun part. Keep those seeds moving. Gently shake the skillet or use a spoon to stir the flax seeds continuously. This ensures even roasting and prevents them from burning. As the seeds roast, you'll notice their color deepening slightly, and a beautiful nutty aroma will fill your kitchen. Keep roasting for about 3 to 5 minutes, or until the flax seeds turn a light golden brown and become fragrant. Remember, we're aiming for a delicate roast, not burnt offerings. Once roasted, transfer the flax seeds to a plate or tray and let them cool completely. These dry roasted flax seeds are a treat for your taste buds. Their crunchy texture and enhanced flavor make them a delightful addition to your breakfast bowls, salads, or even enjoyed as a healthy snack on their own. Let's delve into the fascinating world of sprouting and discover how it transforms flax seeds into a true nutritional powerhouse. Sprouting is like waking up the dormant energy within these tiny seeds, amplifying their nutrient content and digestibility. To begin our sprouting adventure, rinse a tablespoon of flax seeds thoroughly under running water. Then, place the rinsed seeds in a jar or a bowl and cover them with fresh water. Allow the flax seeds to soak for about 6 to 8 hours or overnight. After soaking, drain the water and rinse the seeds again. Now, this is where the magic happens. Instead of cooking the flax seeds, we're going to create the perfect environment for them to sprout. Spread the rinsed flax seeds in a single layer on a damp cloth or paper towel. Cover them loosely with another damp cloth or paper towel, creating a humid environment that encourages sprouting. Keep the seeds in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight. Rinse the seeds with fresh water every 8 to 12 hours, ensuring they stay moist but not soaking wet. Within a day or two, you'll notice tiny white sprouts emerging from the flax seeds, a sign that they're bursting with life and nutrients. In a world of fad diets and quick fixes, let's explore a natural and sustainable approach to weight management using the power of flax seeds. These tiny wonders hold a secret weapon: their ability to curb cravings and promote a feeling of fullness. Imagine this: it's mid-afternoon, and those pesky hunger pangs start creeping in. Instead of reaching for sugary snacks or unhealthy treats, try this simple yet effective flaxseed concoction. Take a teaspoon of ground flax seeds and add it to a cup of warm water. Now for a refreshing twist, Squeeze in the juice of half a fresh lemon. Stir it well and let it sit for a few minutes, allowing the flax seeds to swell and create a gel-like consistency. This simple drink acts as a natural appetite suppressant, keeping you feeling fuller for longer and reducing the temptation to overeat. The soluble fiber in flax seeds absorbs water and expands in your stomach, signaling to your brain that you're satisfied. Incorporating this flaxseed drink into your daily routine can be a game changer for weight management. It's a natural and healthy way to curb those cravings, reduce overall calorie intake, and support your weight loss journey. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds and elevate your everyday meals with a flavor-packed, nutrient-rich seasoning blend that's incredibly easy to make at home. This blend is a celebration of seeds, each one carefully chosen for its unique flavor and health benefits. For this recipe, we'll need half a cup of unshelled white sesame seeds, half a cup of raw flax seeds, a quarter cup of sumac, 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes or 2 to 3 dry red chilies, a quarter cup of cumin seeds, a quarter cup of thyme, and some salt to taste. Start by dry roasting each type of seed separately. This enhances their natural flavors and aromas, creating a symphony of taste in the final blend. Remember to roast them over low to medium heat, stirring constantly to prevent burning. Once the seeds are beautifully roasted and fragrant, allow them to cool completely. Now comes the fun part, blending. Add all the roasted seeds to a blender or spice grinder and pulse until you achieve a fine powder. For a final touch of texture and visual appeal, add the sesame seeds to the blend. Their nutty flavor and slight crunch add another layer of complexity to this already incredible seasoning. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I also hope that you will make this seasoning blend. It's a simple yet powerful way to transform your everyday meals into flavorful and nutritious feasts. Remember, incorporating flax seeds into your diet doesn't have to be complicated. From soaking to roasting, sprouting to blending, there are countless ways to enjoy their incredible benefits. Do remember to like and subscribe and share it with those people who might find it helpful. Your support keeps our channel going and allows us to share more delicious and healthy recipes with the world. I will see you soon with another inspiring recipe very soon. Until then, happy cooking and happy eating.